The additional kinetic energy to be provided to a satellite of mass m revolving around a planet of mass m to transfer it from a circular orbit of radius r1 to another of radius r2. So here we can write the value of r2 is greater than that of r1. So we can just find out what about the value of energy required. That should be equal to nothing but difference in energy over here. So we can write the value of its total energy. We need to always use the total energy final minus total energy initial. So we can write the value of this difference in energy we need to supply. Total energy final we can take it as minus of GMM divided by 2 times of R2 minus the value of initial energy we can take it as minus GMM divided by 2R1. So if you are taking this GMM divided by 2 as common, remaining thing is minus 1 divided by R2 minus of minus it becomes plus 1 divided by R1. So you can write we need to the difference in energy between these two orbit is GMM by 2 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, and we need to supply this much amount of energy so that we can change its radius from R1 to R2.